Hi there, I'm Glenn Main and I'm going to show you how you can make this vocoder from Behringer with this little box sound like the Eminent 310 organ. Coming up! Today I will show you how you can make the very rich and nice phaser organ sound that you often hear on Jean-Michel Jarres' album Oxygen and stuff. And you don't have room for the Eminent 310. That's very big organ, as you can see here. And you don't have the Solena. Well, there's some solutions for you. You can always use some plugins because the V-Synth has a great plugin for this sound. But if you like me, you want to use hardware and you want to be like the retro guy from the 80s, then this is a solution. I have this vocoder from Behringer. Actually, it's a replicate for the Roland vocoder. I used to have the Roland Boutique vocoder, the same thing, and it will do the same. It will work as the same as I'm showing you now. And one other thing you need is this good old small stone phaser flanger stuff. It's really cool. It's a phase shifter. And it's old, it's squeaky sometimes, but I think that's yeah, the soul in it. I'm now using just the strings part for this. Yeah, and it sounds very retro. I have some attack on it. Okay, and the magic happens with this one. Check this out. This is without, and this is with. Oh yeah! But that's not like it. You need some effects. And in my Cubase, I use some Cubase, so you can add some delay. I use a stereo delay, ping pong delay, and I use a big reverb. You can use anything. You don't have to use Cubase. You can use hardware. You can use plugins for the effects. But I will turn them on. My Cubase. Let me see here. Okay. So now. You see, it's very close, very close. I don't saying it's the same, but it's close. In the mix, you can't hear it. It's I can DJ. I can just play some. This is Jean-Michel Jarre chronology. So you see, it's in the mix, it's perfect, and it's cheap according to the, or comparing to the big Eminent Unique 310, and it's I think this is a very good solution to get a sound if you're into hardware stuff, of course, and I am. And I will take you for a studio tour later this, not this week, but in a week or two. In my studio, I've been setting up everything like the good old 80s style. So I hope to see you soon on my channel, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and, what they always say, hit the bell. Yeah, hit the bell. You will get notified when I upload something new. See you soon!